Alright folks, it's April 20th, 2020 at 11:25 a.m. here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia. And these are the results of the snowstorm we received. The light provider is up there doing its thing, slowly melting it away all again. But we all know that this is crap. Supposedly it's spring, right? I mean, it is the 20th of April. Happy 420, folks. Hashtag no fear. I have no fear, not of this crap. Not of no COVID-19 crap either. Absolutely no fear in it. Zero. I know too much information to have fear about it. None. No fear whatsoever. But I do still have to go shovel that crap at the end of the driveway. I mean, most of the yard had a layer like maybe that thick, right? Good portion of it's starting to melt already in the light provider's light. But nonetheless, I still have to shovel the end of the driveway because the snowplow decided, the road was already plowed. My neighbor that has the plow truck over there did the whole cul-de-sac. Almost. I mean, he was helping people out. And then the snowplow came up the road and decided to push every bit of extra that he could find in our driveways. But, that's his job, I guess, to piss people off. We're not supposed to be out driving around anyway, supposedly, but control, control, control. The narrative is bullshit. And the light provider up there, I can see him, but I can't feel him. And I mean, don't get me wrong, folks. My favorite color is purple, but I wear a lot of black. So technically, I should be feeling the radiant heat from the light provider. And I'm not. I mean, I'm wearing black. And I don't feel the heat, even the warmth, in my clothing that I'm wearing. I mean, I'm wearing all black. I should feel that, right? But I don't. The rest of the sky is pretty blue, pretty clear. Except for when you look south, you get that one long chemtrail that's laid down that starts out over the Atlantic. And then he cranked around, of course, and made his little jet trail, contrail, chemtrail, chemical haze, chemical death, whatever you want to call it. I don't care anymore. I'm at that point with it. I know what's going on. It's just a sin. Other people really doesn't comprehend this crap. Someday people will look back at this and be like, how did those people just sit back and do nothing? Because the government trained us. They gave us fluoride. They gave us stuff that we could destroy ourselves with, right? That's how it works. You want to control or destroy your enemy? Give them what they want. They'll do it themselves. So I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for clicking that notification icon. Thank you for all the wonderful comments as always.